Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Volkswagen Crafter 2012, and this one come with the factory standard single radio like this, and that's single DIN, and at this moment it is custom fit with the new system, premium one, wireless Apple Carplay as you see on the screen, and wireless Android Auto, and all the things belonging to the premium setup. And it has custom setup of the 10-inch, so it is the biggest screen that we can fit into the car like this, and yeah, it comes with the special surrounding frame as well. So yeah, that is the one with 10-inch fixed system over here. It comes with the usual Full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera that we have, so you can see when we turn on the reverse, it shows the huge screen with super clear and detailed on the screen for the reverse camera, and that's how you actually can see all the details here like this. Okay? So that's the way, and that's all inside the new system. Okay, and also there's two USB ports that stay on the top. You can see that we are plugging one USB over here, but actually they are here like this. Okay, so that's all hidden there, but it's right there that you can use two USB here and one we are using right here. But definitely you can use two. Yeah, that's the way we do the job. So yep, thanks again for watching. This is the Volkswagen Crafter and 2012. So see you on the next one.